Welcome back on a very blustery day here in Dorset, England. We're actually not in my garden right now. We are out and about, and I've just come across a beautiful silverberry full of fruit. This is known as Eleagnus Ebbingei, and it is just absolutely fantastic. I have tried to grow it in the garden. I do have one still in the garden right now. They're meant to be evergreen, like the one I just showed you, but this one here in my house lost all its leaves and they're all coming back now, but it has never fruited or flowered for me, so I'm still waiting for that. But it almost makes seeing these ones here that much more exciting. You can tell they're all really ripe because there's a bit of give to them when you try squeezing them, so they're really tasty. I've just tasted them. They're really sweet, delicious. There's also a little seed inside them, which is edible. I'll just pick a few. But wow, it's such a treat to see all these beauties. They've got that beautiful sort of silvery gloss on them, which is why they're called silvery berries. It's like a silvery dusting, silver spots. And of course, one of the huge bonuses is that they fruit when nothing else is ready. Most of my trees and bushes are starting to flower now, but they're nowhere near fruiting. So really fun to have a few edibles out there. And they're really popular in hedging, so they're supposed to be quite readily available. I've often seen silverberry bushes, but just none with fruit. So this is quite a treat. And there are quite a few bushes around here, so I guess they all cross-pollinate and produce these beauties. These plants are actually really popular in permaculture. They're known to be great companion plants in that they are what's known as nitrogen fixers. They're the kind of plants that can snatch nitrogen out of the atmosphere and then store it in little root nodules. And then all that stored nitrogen can then be shared out amongst the surrounding plants. So really good for so many reasons, not least of all the beautiful fruit. I brought a few home with me so we can have a little closer inspection, and you can really see that silvery dusting there. They're so beautiful. And then I've opened one over here. That's how it looks and it's cut open, and there's that quite large seed. So it's only a thin layer of that beautiful fruit there, and then it's got that seed in the middle, which you can eat as well. It's quite nutty. But really a fun one to find right now, which is ripe and ready to be picked. So thank you for joining me. I hope you found this interesting. Let me know if you grow silverberries, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.